What's up, everyone? Welcome back. So we just had another technician who picks my brain for work, and he has been around for at least 50 years. So if you don't stay current on today's vehicles, technology, TSBs, experience with this vehicle, and product knowledge, and manufacturer issues and multi-vehicles, the older guys are just done. They don't want to buy new tools, they don't want to get re-educated, they don't want to go back to school. And we're talking about guys that are near getting my age and older, they're like, F this, I'm done. I can't do this anymore. I don't want to do this anymore. I don't want to buy any more tools. And you're seeing the older generation just saying, I'm done with this. And I hear you guys on YouTube all the time saying how glad they are that they walked away from this industry. Not only that, you're seeing the next generation of technicians, that been doing it for 5 or 10 years and just saying, I don't want to do this anymore either. And there's a mass fallout in our industry for good, skilled technicians and mechanics. So why I made this video was Larry's been around 50 years, and he is not on the incline of information and technology and the woes and the complications with today's vehicles. And I have many other shops that call me for diagnostic information, tips and tricks, and also YouTube people will call also too. And so Rachel comes out and says, hey, Larry's got a problem, he needs your advice. And I said, what's his problem? He's got a broken VVT and an engine, it's broken all flush, he can't get it out, he doesn't know what to do. I said, well, he obviously didn't watch my video from like 10 years ago that I've given the tips and the tricks and had many YouTubers and people who've used that content and say, man, this worked, this saved my life, this saved my ass, this saved my day, And I told her, I said, tell Larry he should Google, he should YouTube my video on broken VVTs. And I said, just tell him to run a self-tapping screw in the middle of it and pull it out. And if the screw pulls out, run another one in there. And if it pulls out, then go up to the next size self-tapping screw. And obviously you want to use a metal self-tapping screw. Other than that, you need to pull a valve cover or pull a timing cover, or seriously get further into the job and come from behind it and drive it out when it's not necessary. But this is the things that technicians will come across and just add to the pile of frustrations with the newer technology vehicles and the newer frustrations and challenges of fixing today's car above and beyond the everyday BS. So I just wanted to share that with you. And if you have a broken VVT, sometimes it's not as bad as you think. And I tell Rachel all the time, I have to use crude and barbaric ways of fixing people's cars to streamline the process. And that's just the way it is. Thanks for watching.